Hey guys, it's Theo. In my last side hustle video I already showed you all the things that I wanna try out this year. And one of them was trying out websites that pay you money for trying out various things. There's a bunch of sites that search for people that want to register as testers for them. But let me explain first what testers actually are. So imagine a company needs a feedback or a review of a new project they made. For example, setting up a new website. They now need people to review and look out for any mistakes or bugs that could hinder future users with their experience. For that, they use services to gather those mistakes for them and test out various features before going live. Now, Testbird is one of those companies that offers such a service. I personally went for Testbird because they have a German headquarters, which gave me a bit more of a security and support if I needed it. But there's a bunch of other companies out there. After applying as a tester, you first need to go and do an entry test. The test includes looking through a pretty famous ice-selling company's website and looking for any mistakes or bugs that you can find and writing them down. I want to be honest, at first I was pretty overwhelmed with how technical it was and that I had to check myself if any of the bugs I found were already found by previous users. But after a while I kind of got a hang out of it and managed to complete it pretty fast and successfully go through my entry test. While doing the entry test or afterwards, you need to complete your profile settings. With that, Testbird kind of knows what type of test would suit you and what kind of devices you use. There was, for example, one test invitation I got where I should test out various features on a smart TV. I don't have a smart TV, but I did kind of make a mistake and put it as one of my devices. So yeah, that's why it was naturally selected for me. I did rewrite my profile after that and declined the offer. As a Testbird tester, you're kind of like a freelancer. So you don't have any kind of contract with the company. They will always send you invitations to jobs that you may or may not choose to do. And then based on the kind of test you did and all the bugs you found, they will pay you for the testing. After a couple of weeks using it, I can say that I get pretty regular invitations for tests, as well as being able to choose from various tests they put on their main page. And most of them pay anything between 5 to 20 euros. It's not that much, but for most tests you only spend like 1 hour maybe, so the wage is kind of comparable to a normal job. Only that you can work from anywhere and anytime you want. There are better paying ones as I've seen so far, but they do include longer testing periods or a bit more effort. Testbird has 3 types of tests that you can participate in and that also pay differently. First, we have the bug test. In this type of test you will be asked to hunt for technical errors and you are paid for every bug you find. And also the payment kind of varies depending on the severity of the bug. Second, we have the usability test. The aim of these kind of tests is to find out how easy it is to use the product. As a tester, it will provide feedback in the form of ratings and texts to help a client improve the product. Once your report gets approved, you get a fixed payment announced. And last but not least, there's a bug ability test, which kind of combines the previous ones. There you will be asked to find bugs and evaluate the usability of a product. You receive a fixed payment for the test report and extra payment for every bug you found. All in all, it is a legal and safe way to make money, but not really an easy side hustle as I wished for. Between my main work, making videos for YouTube, and some other projects I have going on, I don't have enough time to sit down every week for a couple of hours to actually make enough money on Testbird that will pay off. If you are really in need of some extra cash, I would totally recommend it before going and applying to some sketchy restaurant or gas station. But if you're searching for a setup and let it run side hustle, dropshipping and affiliates are a better way to go. I am kind of glad that I tested it out and I will probably do some tests in the future just to get some extra pocket money. But my side hustle journey still has a long way to go. And if you want to be part of them, please consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I'm making a new video every Wednesday at 8 PM, so I hope to see you all next week. Ciao, ciao!